Hello everyone, this is James Zed, and this is a tutorial on how to select WordPress themes and install WordPress themes. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is, if you watch the other tutorials that I've made for this, is we've already got a WordPress site up and running, and this is it right here. This is my pretend business, Sally's Pet Grooming Service. If I click here, I get to see what the WordPress site looks like on the front end, and this is the default 2014 theme. And from here, I want to make sure that I change the way that this looks. So I'm going to go back into my dashboard, and here's my dashboard, and I'm going to click on Appearance, Themes, and I'm going to let that open. And as you can see, I've got 3 themes here I can choose from. I can go 2014 theme, 2013 theme, 2012 theme, or I can click Add a New Theme. So I'm going to click right here to add a new theme, and it's going to ask me a bunch of questions. It can say, you know, do you want to search for themes by a keyword in the theme, or do I want to select options that I want to see within my theme right here. So if you're just starting out from scratch and you want to just kind of fish around and see what's out there, you know, you can just select a couple different things that you like to see in a theme that you could possibly see running on your website. Now, just so you know, the themes that are going to come up from this search are all going to be free to use. Some authors just ask that, you know, you give them credit in the footer, you know, for creating the theme, and that's totally cool. That's how they get known, and that's why people keep creating new themes and making them free, because they want to get their name out there and other things as well. So let's look at this, and I'm just going to choose a simple color, blue. I'm going to request that it be 2 columns, and from there I'm just going to ask that it has a customizable menu, and that's it. There's a whole bunch of other options. You can play with them here if you want, check them, uncheck them, but at the end, once you're done doing all that, just simply click Find Themes, and from there it's going to do a search, and it's going to come up with a bunch of different themes that you could possibly use on your website, and these are just their previews. So what you can do is just simply scroll through all the different options that it's giving you, see which ones you think could be the best for you. I'm going to look up this one right here, Absalom, and I'm going to just simply click on that, and what it's going to do is it's going to give me a preview of what the theme looks like. And I'm going to look at this, and okay, and if I like the theme, I just simply click Install. From there, it's going to work on installing it, and from there it's just simply done all its processes, and it's going to give you one of the three actions after it's successfully installed. It's going to ask, do you want to live preview it, do you want to activate it, or return to the theme installer. I'm going to click Activate, and this is going to make sure that it sets it up right away. So this is the theme that I'm using. Now from here, it just took me into its inner functions, and most themes out there will have a bunch of different custom options that you can set. I'm not going to go through these, but what I am going to do is I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to click Visit My Site, and this is now what my website looks like. It's completely changed over. Everything looks different, and it just looks a lot better, in my opinion, than what it used to be. And again, there are tons of themes out there that you can choose from. You can choose all these different themes, you can search for them, and you can just use them, find which one works for you, and then choose a theme. Now, these are all free themes that you can get by searching in themes. Now, there's also premium themes that you can pay for and that you can install. And what I want to do is I just want to really show you one of my favorite websites that I go to in order to find themes that cost money but have a lot more options on the inside and look a lot better for your website. So the main website I use is themeforest.net. And once you go to themeforest.net, you can just simply go right here to the WordPress tab, and these are all different WordPress themes that you can look through and purchase. So just as an example, I'm just going to go to blog/magazine, and I'm going to go to Media Edge. Click on that, and this gives me a display of, the theme Media Edge, and just talks a little bit about it. Talks about the price. This one's $50. And the best thing I like about this and using Theme Forest is I can click on this button right here and go to a live preview of what this theme would look like. So I'm going to click that. It's going to open up in a new browser tab. And from here, this is the theme of the website. This is what it looks like. This is all the options it has, and it gives you an explanation of everything that's available in it. And I mean, these themes, I've searched Theme Forest and looked for different themes a whole bunch of times over, and these themes are top notch. I definitely recommend that if you're looking to set up a very, very nice looking WordPress website with a lot of functionalities and a lot of different options, you definitely check out Theme Forest. You do have to pay a little bit of money in order to get some of these themes, but I think that it's money well invested, and it will make your website look very professional, and on top of that give you options so that you can maybe sell products on your website, capture leads much quicker, and do a whole bunch of different things. So again, I'm James Zed. This is just a tutorial on setting up a WordPress theme. Thank you for watching.